What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to sharpen your Wahl clipper. First thing, I will start by removing the screw from my clipper carefully. Then the next thing, I'll be cleaning all the air and the grease from my clipper. Make sure all those airs and grease are removed before you sharpen your clipper. So we'll be using machine oil and grinding compound. I'm going to clean the area where I'm going to sharpen the blade on. Then I'm going to put some grinding compound on the glass. Then I'll use the machine or the lubricant oil to mix with the grinding compound. Then I'll be starting to sharpen my blade into an 8 sequence technique. I will do this technique for about 2 to 3 minutes. I think that this technique is the best technique to use when sharpening your blades for your clipper. Always remember to apply a little pressure on your blade to make it extra sharp. So I will do the same thing with both of the blade. Make sure you apply pressure. So push this blade forward for about 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to apply a bit more pressure on this come through blade. So the next thing I'll do, I'll be cleaning all the grease from the blades. Make sure they're all clean. In this case, most of the time it is best for you to like wash the blades with soap and water. Make sure all the grease are gone from the blades. I will use some alcohol to wash them or clean them. Properly. Always remember to clean your clipper before you put the blades back on. So first I start by replacing the blade. I will put the small blade or the cutting blade on the clipper. Adjust it carefully. Then I add my screw. Remember never to screw them tightly at first. So now I'm going to test my blade to see if it is very sharp. Yes, it sounds perfect. Always remember to oil your blades before and after use. Move the lever up and down to make sure that the blade is running freely. There you go. You have a sharp Wahl clip.